I'm pulling out all the stops with my Texas French Toast Bananas Foster. It's a custard-soaked, banana-packed, caramel-drizzled dessert with a fiery flair that nobody can resist. So let's get down with 3 eggs. Stay. 3 eggs, some cream and some milk. And the key to this, in my opinion, is really using a good vanilla. You know, it has that little background hint of vanilla. So I think using a real quality vanilla is the way to go. Some heavy cream. Don't want it to be too tight. Little milk. Pinch of salt you gotta have in. I always go for a little bit of cinnamon as well, not too much. Nutmeg is also nice to go in right now, but I don't want to overdo this. And here's that quality vanilla. There we are. Watch this. Huh? There you go. But before I do that, I forgot this. I got a little touch of this orange liqueur, but that's fine because I'll have to mix this up again. And now a cup of butter and 2 cups of brown sugar to make this fantastic Bananas Foster sauce that's gonna be going on the French toast. So I'll let that kind of work down. Don't want that butter to brown up too much. Just a little sprinkle of some cinnamon. Gotta have that hint there. Goes so well with the brown sugar. And then this is where you really tie it all together. This is where you get a little OJ. I'd like fresh squeeze too, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. About a 1/4 cup into that. Okay. Pay attention on this one, because it will flame up a little bit, depending on how hot the pan is. So caution, okay? This is where the kids stand back on this. So a little dark rum. There we go. I mean, I'm not always burning the house down. And then also some of the creme de banana. So, over to the Texas toast. Remember this mixture here? We got the cream, we've got the milk, we've got the eggs, and we got a mess if I don't get closer. So we dip that in, a little bit of cinnamon there as well, some vanilla, and a little bit of the orange liqueur. So soak it up, nice big thick toast. There we go. Let's check out the Bananas Foster. Now, I made this great sauce, 2 cups of brown sugar and a cup of butter. Cooks down, little cinnamon goes into that. Then I flamed it with some dark rum and some creme de banana, little OJ in there as well. And we'll just kind of spoon that over the top of these bananas. I like to put the bananas right in at the end so they don't become too soft. And then over onto this Texas toast. Look at this right here. Oh. Big, thick French toast done in a batter with eggs and cream and milk and a little bit of orange liqueur. And pour this right over the top. This is a dessert, a dessert that you eat at breakfast. I don't know what you want to call it, but look at that. Beautiful.